Hey, what's up? I finally got outside. It's not too hot. My favorite spot. Oh, that's a good view. My favorite spot. So peaceful. Got my cards, my earth cards. Got my iced chai. I'm enjoying this. It's a little warm, but it is not like 110. So, we got the bottom of the deck, ancestors. Ancestors guiding you and helping you. So since I'm holding this, I'm just going to wing it. The cards, I have one hand. Reflection. So what is reflecting back to you? Move through it. That's the other message, because I've been having hip pain, but the only way, like really, that is helping me is to move through the pain. And I've been trying to get to the gym regularly, so it's like instead of avoiding stuff, let's move through it. Yeah, sanctuary, cave. There's times where we need to go within and self-reflect, like that card we had earlier. And also, what is igniting you? What gets you excited? What's something that you really love to do? And do that. I miss being outside. That's one of my passions. I miss being outside. It's been so hot. Got innocence. I love it with the little river there, like pond, more like a pond. The light shining in. Like, think back to your childhood. Like, what things did you love to do? You know, lots of dragonflies. I love being surrounded by the dragonflies. Yeah, again with water. It says lake stillness. You hear those cicadas. Music, harmony. Music is another tool that you could use to really bring in a certain frequency. Yeah, rebirth, spring equinox, the rabbit, Gaia, nurturing. Nurture yourself. Like right here and right now. This beautiful energy. And dance, celebration. That's one of my passions. I love to dance. Completion. Alright, so there may be something, full moon, this last full moon, that you've completed a cycle. It could be anything, so take it how it resonates. Yeah, because you have your instinct, your intuition, the wolf. You know what messages are for you. Like when you watch readings, you know if it resonates or if it vibes with you, and if it doesn't, you don't have to make it fit. So you know what's for you. Listen to your intuition. Lots of water energies. Rain purification. Yes, purification, renewal. Yeah, ancestors again. Ocean. Oh, so it's got a lot of water energies. So emotions, your emotional body. You know, what's going on with your emotions right now? Ebb and flow. They come, they go. Solitude island. Okay. Anything else? I only have this one deck. Focus. Crystals. What do you need to focus on right now? Harmony. Music came out again. Music is really important. Ocean. Dance. Yep, I'm just getting this. I'm just getting like the same cards. Summer solstice, radiance, Sorry if I'm moving the camera a lot, but I'm trying to do multiple things. Alright, I think that's good. I just wanted to get a message out to you guys, and I could actually be outside again without sweating in complete just hotness. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful Labor Day, the day off, so I'm enjoying it very much. Alright, take care, bye.